Another thing hens will do sometimes is pick at something that's shiny.
Yeah, they used to peck at my
They'll
rings.
peck at your ring.
Right.
Whenever I'm handling hens, I always try to turn my ring over because I know the lady who lost her diamond.
Oh, really?
Oh,
wouldn't want that to happen.
That she wasn't going to cut off 20 heads to find out where.
But the sun was trying to just call right. So how many eggs does this lady lay?
A good hen will lay an egg a day.
Oh, just one of them.
Yeah. And there are, I gotta pick them up before I leave, but there are 5 more eggs in there.
Who's the egg?
Brown
Chicken
eggs.
lays an egg.
Let me ask you, which came
Can you
first?
step back
I'm
just
sorry.
a little
The
bit?
chicken or the egg? Well, the egg came first because you have eggs for breakfast and the chicken came last because you have chicken for dinner.
So how'd the egg come out?
Good answer. So in those nests are 5 or 4 more.
They're all in one nest. All 6 are in one nest.
Okay, now it's like 4:15. Okay, now we're in Woodstock, Vermont at the Billings Marsh farm. We're in Vermont.
Jake's members, you know what Jake's members?
What?
The store.
The what?
The store.
Oh, yeah.